Why we need Camtasia Studio, or for who Camtasia Studio is. In short answer, Camtasia Studio is for everyone who want to create educational videos or tutorials. If you want to record your screen and webcam and then edit your videos, then Camtasia Studio is best option for you. And also, if you want to create lots of content, then again Camtasia Studio is best option for you, because you can edit your videos more efficiently and easily. And if you want Hollywood like VFX, then we have much better options like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro. But still we can do lots of things in Camtasia Studio like animating stuff, transition effects, visual effects and much more. In this beginner friendly course, we will cover everything from beginner to advanced.